Airtecnics, the air curtain specialist. What is an air curtain? An air curtain is a fan-powered device that creates an invisible air barrier over the doorway to separate efficiently two different environments. Applications: door climate protection, cold storage protection, flying insects prevention. Benefits of air curtains: indoor protection, preserve indoor heating or cooling, protect from outdoor wind drafts, protect against fumes, dust and odors, barrier against pests and insects. Energy efficiency, energy savings up to 80%, longer air conditioning lifespan, reduce CO2 emissions, certifications compliance, commercial profitability, open door effect, higher people affluence, better accessibility, increases customers and staff thermal comfort. Increase safety, visibility through entrance, avoid ice forming in cold stores, keep stored products in good thermal and hygienic condition, clear way for evacuation. Airtecnics air curtains, standard, recessed, decorative, revolving doors, industrial, cold stores, insect control, characteristics: wide range to cover all applications, standard and tailor-made units, different finishes and colors or materials, customization with logos or signage, low noise level with high performance, high quality components, EC fans with very low consumption, special requirements on request, quick and easy fixations, multiple installation configurations, wide variety of accessories, reduced maintenance. Control. Our latest technology control systems allow to manage the operation of the air curtains, maintaining indoors comfort with maximum energy savings. Advanced controllers range, easy plug-and-play initialization, connectivity via Modbus BMS and app, valves, thermostats and sensors, leadership in market, production for world-renowned brands, fully integrated into Rosenberg Group, exporting to more than 55 countries, producing air curtains worldwide since 1986. Airtecnics, the air curtain specialist.